Why would that stupid up, down, all together now? Mr. Potato's coming to town. Crap got very popular. That's stupid. I bet the people who literally are gonna break the lipsticks. Why? I really hate this. Stupid Harley Bird. You always have to ruin my life with your stupid Peppa voice. You know, this originates from Peppa Pig. I hate that show. Screw Peppa Pig. Screw it. You stupid pigs make my life miserable. Even with the stupid PFPs, fun arts, and more, including your merchandise and YouTube ads. I wish that stupid series never existed.